Good morning, everyone. In the last lecture, we talked about ethical dilemma. क्या मतलब होता है ethical dilemma का कि इस situation where we have to choose between right versus right or right versus wrong. Okay. Now, today our topic is code of professional ethics for employees. Code of personal ethics for employees. Okay. So एक टर्म आपने सुनी है स्टूडेंट्स, कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट, और यहाँ पे हमारी जो टर्म आ रही है दैट इज कोड ऑफ एथिक्स। इन दोनों के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है, पहले तो ये समझो कि जो कोड ऑफ एथिक्स है इट इज अ ब्रॉड टर्म। इट giving employees or members a general idea of what type of behavior and decisions are acceptable and encouraged at a business or organization. Okay, and the code of conduct is more focused term. It defines how employees or members should act in specific situations. Okay, तो कोड ऑफ एथिक्स जो है मतलब एम्प्लॉयज के लिए जनरल आइडिया है कि किस टाइप का उनको डिसीजन, मतलब विच टाइप ऑफ डिसीजन आर एक्सेप्टेबल और एनकरेज, और कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट जो है दैट इज अ मोर फोकस्ड टर्म। ओके, कि पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन में ओके आप एम्प्लॉयज को किस तरीके से बिहेव करना है दैट इज नोन एज द कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट, कि उनका एक्शन क्या होना चाहिए। एंड दिस इज द कोड ऑफ प्रोफेशनल एथिक्स फॉर एम्प्लॉयज इन विच मतलब उनका बिहेवियर या डिसीजन जो है दैट इज एक्सेप्टेबल एंड एनकरेज एट अ बिजनेस और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। ठीक है, इट इज द जनरल आइडिया। ओके, so a professional code of ethics sets a standard for which each member of the profession can be expected to meet. Here should be professional, not personal. Okay, so professional code of ethics जो है एक set a standard for which each member of the profession can be expected to meet. By developing a code of ethics, an organization makes it clear that employees and members cannot claim ignorance as a defense for unethical conduct. Codes of ethics help employees strike a balance between the ends and the means used to obtain them. Most company codes list the following values being expected from their employees. A. Respect confidential information to which you have access. Maintain high standard of professional responsibility. Avoid being placed in situations involving conflict of interest. Ethical codes are adopted by organizations to assist members in understanding the difference between right and wrong and in applying that understanding to their decisions. An ethical code generally implies documents at 3 levels: codes of business ethics, codes of conduct for employees, and codes of professional practice. Okay, so हम कहते हैं कि कोड ऑफ एथिक्स क्या, क्यों इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है, क्या जरूरत पड़ती है जनरल आइडिया की। So it is important because it helps employees to make decisions that are in line with company values in the absence of a clear rule or direct supervision. Okay, so क्या पर्पस है, एक बार फिर इसको डिटेल में। Purpose of code of ethics is, the purpose of the code of conduct is to increase professional and ethical consciousness among engineers and their sense of ethical responsibility, to guide engineers in making more informed ethical choices, to help the engineering profession itself function at the fullness of its potential. Okay, तो ये जो कोड ऑफ एथिक्स की जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, इट कैन इम्प्रूव डिसीजन मेकिंग एट अ बिजनेस एंड मेक इट इजियर फॉर एम्प्लॉयज टू बी ऑटोनोमस। ठीक है, एक गाइडलाइन उनको मिल जाती है कि किस तरीके से उनको बिहेव करना है कोई पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन में। तो क्या एरिया ये कवर करता है? एरियाज ऑफ कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट आर: most company codes list the following values being expected from their employees. First, act with integrity. Don't bias against anybody or anything. Maintain professional relations based on mutual respect for individuals and organizations. Be committed to the goals of the organization. Don't give up your individual professional ethics. As professionals, engineers commit themselves to supporting and acting in accordance with ethical guidelines covering the following 6 main areas. First, competency, integrity, public interest, environment, dignity of the profession, and administrative. Okay, so this is the code of professional ethics for employees. It gives general outlines of how employees should behave as well as specific guidance for handling issues like harassment, safety, and conflicts of interest. Okay. So thank you, everyone.